nice to each other. It's a lot easier just to sort around, look for somebody else that's worked really hard to catch something, swoop down and steal their food than it is to go hunt your own, right? After this bird catches his prey, he does something called mantling. Takes his long wings, he covers his head, he covers the prey that he caught, eats underneath his own built-in picnic umbrella. And from above, now he looks just like a rock. So the other raptors flying overhead don't see that he has prey and swoop down and steal it. Pretty cool adaptation for survival, right? How many of you like buzzards now? Yeah, I told you guys. Give this bird a round of applause. You did a great job out here. Yeah! Good boy. Any questions about the buzzard? Yeah, go ahead.
So, around Kansas City, I always grew up knowing a bird called the turkey buzzard.
It's not a real animal. No. It's not a real creature. I'm so sorry to burst your bubble. It's the whole Pluto thing too.
Well, what is what I would identify?
It's called a turkey vulture.
Vulture?
It's the same as when people call the pronghorn an antelope. We do not have antelope in North America. It's the same as when people call a bison a buffalo. We also don't have buffalo in North America. It's a really old nickname. So years and years and years ago, when the European settlers came to North America and were studying the animals here, they saw our two vulture species, the turkey vulture and the black vulture. They weren't able to get close enough to those birds to realize that they were vultures. So they said, okay, they have two big boodio species, but everywhere else, boodio means buzzard, right? So after a few years, uh-oh, we made a mistake, the nickname had already stuck. So people still will mistakenly call them turkey buzzards. But turkey buzzard's like a dragon, not a real creature. So I'm glad you asked that. Thank you. Any other questions about this guy? Yeah.
Does he have any, can you use him for jobs other than education, like hunting other birds and things? Or?
I don't use this bird for abatement or anything else other than education. I hold 11 different licenses, but he's on my education license specifically.
Okay.
Now, I do have one of my hunting birds here today. I'm a master falconer, so during hunting season, instead of hunting game with a gun or a bow and arrow, I hunt with eagles, hawks, and falcons. So I did pull a Nebraska, we're in Kansas small game permit, and this morning before you guys got here, I was hunting the squirrels. You're welcome.
Does that save you money on feed then?